Hey, what's going on, guys? I just picked up these retail packs from Shoppers as I was stopping in there. The prices weren't too bad. Obviously the hits aren't as great as they would be in a hobby box, but had to feed the addiction and open up a couple more series 2. I do have this hobby box here, but I'm not going to be opening it unless there's a bunch of demand for me to do that. But in the meantime, I'll be opening these 2 along with a 25-26 OPG, and I found this SP Authentic from 21-22, but as you can see, it's very slim. These are repackaged, so I'm pretty sure whoever's opening these basically gets the measurement, or they know that they've hit from a box already, and so they've just repackaged these other packs and they're distributing them at Shoppers Drug Mart. So we'll start off with the SP Authentic. It's definitely the more expensive pack, you would think, but based on the year and the fact that it's repackaged, it was only $4, so that's why I picked it up. I figured it doesn't hurt, just a couple bucks, so we'll get right into it. Not expecting anything great, honestly, from any of these packs, but it's Saturday night and just figured it'd be a little bit of fun, so don't mind spending a few bucks. This pack only comes with 5 cards, I believe. So normally you're looking for big hits, but oh wow, these are all stuck together too. Like, look at this. I'm not holding on to any of the other cards. They're just all stuck together. Not great. Listen to that. Okay, that's unfortunate, but we got a Jordan Pennington, Troy Terry, unbelievable. UC Saros, we're just gonna get all base on. Yeah, I bet this pack was honestly resealed too. Jacob Voracek. It looks like it's blue, so is that a parallel? I got something on the back as well. I'll flip it back over. Connor Garland. Authentic profiles. Not great. Probably an insert. I'm not familiar with this set very much, but yeah, that looks a bit different from the base, so I'm guessing that's maybe a blue parallel, but yeah, nothing amazing. Jacob Vrana is not even really in the league. Next we'll do the 25-26 OPG. It's all retail as well, so odds aren't gonna be as good as like a hobby box, but figured why not. Probably just gonna get a bunch of base. Gallagher, Siegenthaler, Oliver Moore, marquee rookie, Hoglander, Kovacevic, Austin Krause, and Jacob Trouba. Next we got our Series 2. Vinny Desharnais. Jordan Martinook. Casey Smith. Jackson Lacombe. It's his base, but he is a rookie, I believe, or is he rookie in 24-25? Dustin Wolf. We got a glow up of William Eklund. I believe I already have one of those. We got a speckled vibing Jake Ottinger. Nice design, but oh, Seth Jarvis Encore. So no Young Gun, I don't believe. Will Cooley, Wyatt Johnston, Nuge, and David Camp. On to our last pack here. Again, a young gun would be great. Just looking at the odds here from retail, it looks like base young guns are 1 in 3. So the odds are against us here, but you never know. Maybe we can get that Matthew Schaefer at a retail. Anything on the side there? I see something maybe speckled. Not too sure. Sebastian Aho, Pedersen, Wayne Hudson, Vlasic, UC Saros. Oh, a little too hasty, but Jack Williams. So we did beat the odds, but not the young gun that you would look for, but can't really complain. Glow up Dylan Gunther, I believe I also have that, but maybe not. Speckled, if you know, you know. Mikko Rantanen. Take a speckled, that's cool. Eric Gustafsson. That's really weird. If you saw my hobby box break, these guys were back to back in one of my packs as well, and they were back to back again in this pack, so that's super weird. And Ryan Lomberg, Jack Drury. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.